Yes, it's going. Oh no, I don't want to sing. Hi, it's Jasmine
And Claire.
Sometimes I forget my name, but
And our last name's Smith, by the way.
yeah, not Hunkapoo.
No,
It just sounds
changed it.
weird.
That was all Tiffany's idea.
Wow.
Sorry about that.
Which it was a real last name, and then we could change it, so we did. Okay, so bye.
No.
I don't want to sing.
1 second.
I don't like singing in front of a webcam.
Hi.
Yes, I am.
I know.
There. All right, let me give you a little beat. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay. How do you start it here?
I don't really know it.
I don't know.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, we might not be singing here.
If I won't sing.
I don't really want to sing, do you? Kinda do.
You had an idea.
Yeah, I do, but you don't really want to.
Okay, so
I don't know how to start it.
I'll try. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna sing.
I'll be singing Bruno Mars.
It Will Rain, and I'll be singing with her.
I don't know like the whole thing. I know some of it, but it's pretty good. So, okay, ready.
We're trying to figure out how to start it here.
If you wanna leave it, baby, come on. Leave some morphine at my door.
Dad?
Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Ooh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you on my side, to keep it from walking out the door. Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 Ooh, I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eyes. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I would do the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of songs that make it understand. Ooh, but little darling, watch me change your mind. For you I'll try. I pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that'll make you mine. Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 Ooh, don't you say, don't you say goodbye, goodbye. Don't you say goodbye, goodbye. I pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that'll make it right. Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. Actually, we sang the whole song.
What do you want to do now?
I technically know it by heart.
Well,
Kind
some
of.
parts. Most parts.
Mostly all.
Mostly all.
Okay, well, we really want to get discovered because we don't like school.
Now make sure you comment.
Yeah, we really need to know if our singing was good
or bad.
Yeah, we really need to know. And who cares if we're just little, whatever you call us.
We're actually, little.
Or whatever. Whatever.
We are not 3-year-olds, hello.
No. But just because we're young does not mean we can't be pop stars.
Yeah, I mean, we could just be like Kids Bop or anything. All we're asking is for you to comment here.
Seriously.
Hey,
we got to go get something to eat.
here, we'll show you.
That's our Pepsi. Okay, bye.
1 second, we'll be right back.
Carly, you're some... Carly! Jenny, get out of our room!
Jenny! Carly, get out of my room!
We were in the room.
Yeah.
Claire. I'm so sorry about
Sorry
that.
about that. That was our twins.
Yeah. Trying to drink the Pepsi.
They're always getting into our trouble.
So, like, if there's this YouTube person that, like, actually has, like, something, like a manager or something, don't be a fake manager.
Yeah, because that's cold.
Yeah. And then we would get burned. Like Andy Burns, if you ever watch Shake It Up. So, well, rate please. You can put thumbs up, or if you don't really like it, thumbs down.
But we
please,
hope you
thumbs
put thumbs up. But if you don't like it, make sure you're honest.
Yeah, because we don't want someone saying, oh, yeah, that was great.
And you're not going to cry. We're not 3-year-olds or whatever you call it. We are.
Seriously. It's just your opinion, what you think, not our opinion. We think that we're great. Maybe you don't.
Maybe you found someone better. Make sure you tell us that.
Yes. If you found someone really greater than us, then that's okay. Just tell us.
Don't lie. That's bad.
If you think my singing is bad, no. If you think my singing is bad and you think hers is great, just say that. If you think hers is bad and mine is great, just say that. We want to know your opinion.
And if you think that one of us was like not doing it or was off key, then make sure you tell us.
Yeah. We don't want to like have people lie to us. We want the truth out.
Okay, I got that song stuck in my head.
I love this song.
I know.
Yeah, it's pretty addicting.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. I'm just over here, okay?
Yeah, she's over there. I'm thirsty. Well, all good. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Well, you gotta look good for the camera.
You want to?
Yeah. Okay, Jazz gonna entertain you. Okay?
No, I'm
Wait. Just wait here 1 minute. Okay, let's do this.
You can either use this or this. I'm using this.
I'm using that.
If I can get it open. Sorry about my singing. I just wrote this song.
Hey guys, just texting. Hey! How do I look? Make sure you comment on how I look. Hello? Hey! Oh!
Hey, you want me to go to the mall?
Sorry, I'm on YouTube right now.
Fantal?
Sorry, that's our new word.
Fantabulous. Oh, I wish I could come.
Oh, 1 second. I'm getting a J mail.
Yeah, I
She
know.
just
Hung up on me.
She said I'm talking to a lip gloss can. This is totally a phone. JC, sorry,
Yeah.
I'm texting. Sorry, gotta go do some more
Hello?
stage lighting.
Dude, Fabu, I told you. Not right now.
Okay, let's put this on.
I'm busy, Fabu. Fabu.
Sorry, that's our shop owner.
Actually, I just want.
Yeah.
Everyone keeps on texting me. Stop texting me.
Hey. Hey, your boyfriend texted me.
Why did he text you?
I don't know, read it. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, someone finally stopped texting me.
What did he say? I can't
Oh.
read it.
It's the... Right there.
You just broke up with
I
me.
know, it's rude.
Well, your
Thanks.
boyfriend texted me. He said this.
That's rude!
I know. He called you.
And he called... Oh, here's another one. He called you the B word.
He called you the B word.
Our boyfriends are so common. Jeez.
I'm texting him.
I'm texting him.
Not my boyfriend. Yours.
Yours. Okay.
Hello. Huh, it won't send.
Hello.
Sorry. Sometimes the phone doesn't work. Do I have to
Like
click the
it?
reset button?
Like the zebra wall.
You have to show them everything? Seriously.
I just felt like doing that.
Oh, hey, your boyfriend texted back. He said this.
That's not a nice word. And your boyfriend said this.
And then he told me this.
And then he said, I love you.
Really? You just come and do that?
And you're such a jerk.
You can't love me and
And
you
then
can't
bye.
You can't at first love her and then love me. It's she just hung up on me.
Sorry, this might get a little boring to you.
Yeah, we're really texting. A lot of busy people. Oh, hey, turn. Angel Sassy. Oh, sorry, I'm just reading this. What mood I'm in? I'm taking a mood test. Okay, so my favorite color.
I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Nope.
Let's go.
Okay.
Wait, let's go shopping.
Anyways, this won't sound so.
VTR. Wait. VTR.
Be the right back. BTR.
Don't forget your sunglasses.
No, those are mine.
Ooh, I had these on earlier. Aunt really wants sunglasses.
Neither do I. Oh, I didn't really want them in the first place.
phone.
Like you? Why would I like you?
Gabby.
You're supposed to be her boyfriend. Not mine. Not mine. He just hung up on me. Hey, where's Claire? Thought she was in here. She leave? Huh. Babu's texting me, blah, blah, blah. Hey, where'd you go?
Oh, I went to get this.
For what?
Because I'm waiting for Maureen to see if she texts me back. Plus, I'm gonna put some.
Oh, hey,
See?
my boyfriend texted you.
1 second.
That's our iPod Touch.
No, it's our phone, remember? Babu just canceled on us. For the dinner party?
Why are you using that one? Because why? So does this. You can actually use it. New test again. I have to take the new test again. Just log into Facebook. I don't know.
Oh, you gotta see the app I got.
Hello. Wow. White trendsetter, whatever that color is, mystical, splendid, angry, glamorous, sassy, sweet, diva, rebel, angel, flirt, sweetheart, peace, spoiled, charm, fashionista, whimsical, crush, siren, and heartbreaker. Computer's doing that. Hey. Oh, hey, sorry, we forgot. Hey guys.
Sorry about that.
Why are you trying to log into Facebook?
Because
Sorry.
yeah.
I'll be right back. I have to get a drink. Oh wait, never mind.
But I really
really don't know my password because Maureen always does that.
I mean,
What's her name?
Marina cousin. She always like has my Facebook account, so I don't even know my own password.
And then our niece, our niece, Jay, keeps on changing my password, so I have to take the mood test.
And she has to get the mood right,
Yeah.
which we don't know what it is.
I don't know. I don't know what she picks. Oh, probably Angel. Wrong. Jeez, she always has to act like an angel. And then our nephew, Hunter. No, just Hunt. Hunt. Sorry. That's his real name, but we call him Hunt. So, he keeps on changing the password to even get into my phone. But I get it.
I gotta get a good idea to get my password. Okay, this is Emily. I want my name.
Emily's our other cousin.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wait. Oh. Maybe we should go.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.